There are 3 key measurements that are needed to buy your own dress form. In this video, I'm going to show you what those 3 key measurements are to buy a pinnable dress form like this one. When buying a dress form, you will use this measurement as guideline to pick out your dress form. Getting one that matches your exact measurements will be great, but that rarely happens, except you have it custom made to your body measurements. This dress form have set measurements for the different sizes that are available, so buy one that is closest to your measurements.